bow before your throne. I bear the deepest part of me to you and you alone. I keep no secrets, for there is no thoughts you have not known. I bring my